Have you heard of USP before? It's the way that you talk about what makes you different. It's your unique essence. Maybe you're the only one who's open 24 hours, or you promise same day delivery. What it's not is we do the best work. We have agents that care. We have the best pricing. These are the same things your competitors are saying. Remember, unique selling position. Many really smart people view USP separate from your offer. I don't. People buy an offer. Having your USP and offer connected frees you up to focus on creating something unique. For me, my coaching USP/offer is for every dollar you spend in coaching fees, you'll generate at least $2 in profit. By and large, there aren't other coaches who take this approach. For every dollar you spend in coaching, you'll generate two in profit. That speaks to offer and my unique approach to coaching. This is my way of thinking about USP. Market dominating position takes this a step further. When you overlay your USP onto someone's pain, it becomes supercharged. Let's take a child psychologist as an example. Let's set the stage. You're a mother with a young son. He pushes back at everything you do and say. When he doesn't get his way, he throws a tantrum, absolutely shuts down. You try to console him, but he screams louder. To stay in his favor, you bring him to the store to buy him the shoes that all the kids are raving about. Now he's happy. He's telling you he loves you. You're a great mom. Then you find out they don't have his size. He loses it right there in the store, saying he hates you. He even takes a shoe off and throws it at your head. You take a deep breath and you wait for it to stop. Now, think of that mother goes to a website looking for help. She comes across this site. Dr. John's board certified discipline, obedience, or tired of the outburst, the yelling, disrespect? Do you patiently wait for the end? Do you stay home for fear of a public outburst? Which one would you choose if you were that mom? Number two, right? The problem parents have is real. It's painful and emotional. When the psychologist overlays his USP right on top of these pains, it doesn't matter what he charges. The parents will pay. If you take the time to craft a market dominating position, it will supercharge your sales.